We have an advanced automation robotics program here at Ivy Tech that goes all the way up to an Associates of Applied Science. Students are coming for the automation robotics program to learn skills specifically in automation.
We have students right out of high school. We have students who want to change careers. Maybe they got laid off, they can't find a job in their current field, and they're coming here to learn more skills. We get everybody, especially the ones who are sent here by their employer to learn the skills and go through the classes so they can operate the equipment.
I chose to go into the advanced automation and robotics program here at Ivy Tech because it's something that sparked my interest. It is a good career field to get into in the workforce, and it's something I enjoy, I'm good at.
The first things we learned were the very basics, like what jogging means and the different axes and what they do, how they work, how it's like similar to your arm, and eventually we got into the programming.
When the students first see a robot, they think, oh my goodness, complicated, can I really do that? We teach them the basics, and then I bring them out here for the hands-on experience. In an hour or a little over an hour, they can move and operate these robots. And when you see that happening, their faces light up.
It all comes together in the lab. You can apply what you learned and you can actually see it. It's just really interesting to see how the robots work and also how other people do their programming.
The interface with Fanuc, to me, is the best. To try to explain to a person, hey, I want you to program this robot. Their brain starts thinking, I can't do that. This is way more difficult than what I'm able to accomplish. But the interface is easy enough and the concepts are easy enough that almost anybody can pick it up. So then all of a sudden you have this person that understands how robots work and understands how they program, and there's a prestige.
What I like about going to school here and working on things is we get the textbook and demonstrations and everything, but then we get to apply it here in the lab, and also we get to apply it at our work. How the robotic skills are helping me in the outside world is getting to learn how the robot is actually moving and how it does not move. And the electronics inside of it is really helping with stuff that I see at work.
It's been going on for the last 20 years where we have needed skilled tradesmen and women to be able to upkeep, maintain, repair this very, very automated world that we live in.
You're always doing something different with the robots. It's not all the same robot. You're able to make different programs, you're able to troubleshoot what's going on with the robot. It's a hands-on, and you get the feel for what you do in the actual workforce when it comes to those kind of issues.
One of our systems that we have is a full-blown mechatronics station. It's designed to replicate cellular manufacturing, and on that is one of our LR mates, which basically is designed to put a product into a component based on a menu selection that's brought up. It's also designed to go in and tighten screws and kind of put together an assembly so that it's ready for shipment to the warehouse.
I'm an intern at a company called Micropulse in Columbia City. I'm able to apply my education with robotics and my training here at Ivy Tech. Just in the last 2 months at Micropulse, we've brought in 5 new Fanuc robots. So I'm able to take my education and what I've learned at Ivy Tech and apply those skills and the hands-on side of things and help others set up robots and give other people knowledge that they never had the experience with.
There's 10,000 baby boomers retiring every single day, and a lot of those are in the skilled trades, in manufacturing, and we need people to replace them. So companies are struggling to find people. The opportunities are endless. In fact, there's a lot of 2-year degree students who graduate in advanced manufacturing, making more than some engineers to start. You'll always have a job, and it will pay well. If you're not afraid of learning, you can go far.